In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A50 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top of it. Then select Allow or Allow while using in all available pop-ups and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on blue button with a microphone. To start again, click on the white one. If you want to go back to your standard keyboard, use this icon of the keyboard at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!